Welcome. If you're looking to keep up with your favorite accounts on Instagram and want a quick way to see their latest posts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to access your favorites feed on Instagram with the most up-to-date steps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, look to the bottom right corner. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and more. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of your profile page. You'll notice a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on this icon to open up a list of options and settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled What You See. This section is designed to help you customize your Instagram experience. Under What You See, you'll spot an option called Favorites. Tap on Favorites, and you'll be taken to your personalized favorites feed. Here, you'll see posts exclusively from the accounts you've added to your favorites list. This is a great way to make sure you never miss updates from your closest friends, family, or favorite creators. If you want to add or remove people from your favorites, you can do so right from this screen. Just tap Add Favorites or Remove as needed. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can access your favorites feed and stay connected with the people and content you care about most. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.